Hello YouTube viewers and Halloween fans, it's Evil Elf here. We are now looking at our Doorbells of Doom. Here is our witchy lady to give you more info about these.
Yes, these are our animated doorbells and we just love these. So everyone who comes trick-or-treating to our lair has to do 3 tasks. Task number 1, do the doorbells of doom. Task number 2, they have to set off one of our animated animatronics, which you've seen in our previous videos. And task number 3 is they have to get a small ball into the witch's cauldron, which is a lot harder than it sounds because when they try and throw the ball into the cauldron, it bounces out. But these are the doorbells of doom, which they have to do as their first task. Now, the first one we got from Asda, and this was £10, I believe, and Evil Elf will demonstrate. Beady eye. Bet you weren't expecting that. Now, how many sayings does this one have, Evil Elf?
4 sayings.
4 sayings. So that was 1. Let's see the second saying. Marvellous, marvellous. Now, doorbell number 2, again we got from Asda, and this was £6.
So, warning for loud noises and flashing images.
It's a 7th hand! Love it! And how many sayings does this have, Evil Elf?
3.
3? Right, and number 3 we got from Home Bargains, and this was £2.99. Spider jumps out of its mouth, and that really shocks the little people. They're not expecting that.
So it has 3 sayings.
Number 4 was also from Home Bargains at the same price of £2.99.
And it also has the same sayings.
And then doorbell number 5, again we got this from Asda, and this was £4.
Yeah, but unfortunately you might not hear it very well, but luckily it has the same sayings, 3 sayings. Yeah, see, it's not very loud.
Marvellous. So that's our Doorbells of Doom. And there are more varieties that you can get. We did have a pumpkin one, but unfortunately that got broken. So let's do some rates. So doorbell number 1, Evil Elf, what would you rate this?
10.
Great. And doorbell number 2?
10.
Doorbell number 3?
10.
Doorbell number 4?
10.
And doorbell number 5?
7.
7. Okay. So there we go. That's our review for the Doorbells of Doom.
Yeah, thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next Halloween prop review. If you like this video, please like and consider subscribing with notifications so you don't miss the next new video. Goodbye for now.